Hello everybody, this is Miguel and just making up a video. Should be on like 4th of July. Don't mention that, it's just a video I'm making from a long time ago. So you might not know 4th of July. It's 4th of July for you. For this past 4th of July. Fireworks were awesome. And if you've seen 4th of July, then that's okay. Cause anyway, everybody, I'm back, and you might have remembered my house on New Elf, but I was walking on the plane area. Glasses you might not know anything about, but I was in that area where it's just glass, and I saw in the ravine. You might not know the ravine is just like a big kind of crack in the hole, and it's huge, and it's huge down. So I fell down, almost died, and I came back up in the game, and it looks like I tried to find my way back to my house for a clinic, so I made this house here. Pretty good. So all I have to do is walk over this. With my feet, I can do this. Maybe I can do this.
Miguel,
What?
back off the video.
This? No, it's a video I'm making. Everybody, I'm just making this wall. So,
No, porque vayas a botar esto en la calle.
everybody, I'll just be right back. Just let's do some stuff. So I'll be right back.
Botan en la calle de la cocina. O en el baño. Es mucho para mi estómago.
I need some privacy to make a video, so just go to sleep to get some rest. Everybody, I'm back, and you can see that I'm just making this place more better. Just trying to make this wall not so they can get in. really, I'm just making, I'm really quiet through this video sometimes, so just be prepared for that. If you want to tell me something, just go back to the description, tell me what to do, make it sticky, try to fix my future, being killed by the mobs. Just tell me, 'cause